Hi everyone, Hannah here from Disney, and today we're going to explore Newport Bay Hotel at Disneyland Paris. Located around Lake Disney at the end of Disney Village, you'll find Newport Bay Hotel. This is one of Disneyland Paris's moderate resorts and is only a 10-minute walk from the parks. Slightly more expensive than its neighbour Sequoia Lodge, Newport Bay have packages for 2 nights, including park tickets for 3 days, varying in price from the lowest at £570 to the highest being £1,690. This is all dependent on whether you're visiting at peak times or off-peak times. The theming of this hotel is very nautical and classic New England style, designed to look like a seaside mansion with charming 1920s nautical details, which you can find all over the resort. This definitely makes you feel transported to the golden age of maritime travel. If you've travelled to Walt Disney World and are a fan of the Yacht and Beach Club, this will be the perfect resort for you because the architects who designed them hotels also designed Newport Bay, so their exteriors are very similar. This hotel is huge and consists of the main central building, an east wing and a west wing. There is also a convention centre. There are 1,097 rooms in this hotel, the lowest price being the superior rooms, then a slight upcharge for a superior room with a lake view, and then a further upcharge for a superior room with a lake view which also has a terrace. There are also a selection of family rooms, sleeping 5, which you don't get in every resort at Disneyland Paris, so if you have got a family of 5, this is a great choice. Newport Bay also have rooms called Compass Club rooms, and whilst these rooms are more expensive, this does entitle you to use the benefits of the Compass Club, which includes a private reception desk, access to the Compass Club lounge for a private breakfast away from all the other hotel guests between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m, and then drinks and afternoon snacks served from 4 p.m. to 5:45 p.m. So if you like a little bit of extra luxury, this is a great option. Accessible rooms are also available, and guide and assistance dogs are welcome in these rooms too. We've only ever stayed in the superior rooms, and on our last visit in February, we were lucky enough to get a lake view without paying the extra upcharge for it, which was a lovely surprise. The rooms at Newport Bay are elegant and comfortable, featuring nautical themed decor with a white and blue colour scheme. Each room is spacious and well appointed with modern amenities such as flat screen TVs and air conditioning. The beds are plush and inviting, ensuring a restful night's sleep for guests, and I've never had a problem having a night's sleep in one. The bathrooms, while not necessarily well themed, are clean and include shampoo and conditioner which get replaced every single day, so don't worry about using it. And with the separate sink, it makes it easier for getting ready in the morning for a busy park day. Recently at Newport Bay, the coffee machines have been installed with Lavazza coffee, and a kettle has been provided in the room. This is a great addition to the rooms because in the past you used to have to use vending machine coffee machines throughout the resort to be able to have a coffee in the morning, and they weren't the nicest. I will say though that if you don't like a strong coffee in the morning, you might want to bring your own with you, as these are very strong. One question I always ask when I'm looking at these room tours is, what is the plug situation like? And Newport Bay definitely does have enough plugs, and even includes a UK plug, so if you do forget your travel adapter, you'll still be able to charge your phone. On to places to eat and drink now in the hotel. The bar, Captain's Quarters, is a great place to rest after a long day in the parks. Captain's Quarters serves a range of drinks that you would find at any bar, along with some signature cocktails and mocktails. They also serve a range of sandwiches and snacks and desserts. We love the relaxing atmosphere in here, as it isn't a huge bar. It doesn't get very loud, like the Marvel Skyline bar does. Newport Bay is also home to 2 restaurants. There's Yacht Club, which is a table service restaurant, and as you would expect in a maritime themed hotel, the menu mainly consists of fish dishes and is open between 6 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. each night. And just next door you'll find Cape Cod, the cheaper restaurant of the 2, as this is a buffet menu, which also contains seafood specialities. I have heard great things about both these restaurants, but as I'm not a seafood eater, this isn't somewhere I have eaten at before myself, at dinner time. But both these restaurants are where breakfast is served in the morning, so I really enjoyed the theming of both of them. And they both have views over Lake Disney, which is a lovely way to start your morning. I'll put links in the description to all the menus. On to some of the amenities now. Nantucket Pool is an indoor and outdoor swimming pool. The pools are heated, but the outdoor pool does get closed in bad weather. I think this is one of the best themed pools in Disneyland Paris, with the boat that you can actually go on and you can watch people swim, to the outdoor area that, even though it's right next to Lake Disney where loads of people are walking past, is completely covered. There is also a full service gym that is open 24 hours, so if you have any energy left after a busy park day, this is a great place to get your workout in. And I haven't as yet been able to catch it unattended, so to respect people's privacy, I haven't done any filming in there. It wouldn't be a Disney hotel without a Disney shop, and Bay Boutique is home to lots of merchandise. From arts and collectibles, toys and plush gifts, suitcases, and even a range of hotel-exclusive Newport Bay items. From clothing to candles and room sprays, although I do think they're missing a trick not having a Christmas tree decoration. Here you will also find some soft drinks and snacks. The theming in here is amazing, with the central piece being a nautical Mickey, which, if you have been on Disney Cruise Line before, will look very familiar, as it is extremely similar to the one found on the Disney Magic. Overall review of the hotel. This hotel was the first one I stayed in with my family, so we have a huge soft spot for it. I adore the rooms with the Mickeys in the bed frames, and the hotel itself has an overall relaxed vibe. And the pool is great if you have water babies like I do. One of my favourite things about this hotel, though, is the short walk to the parks. And as Newport Bay have their own entrance into Disney Village, it means the security line can be shorter than the one that Sequoia Lodge and Hotel New York Art of Marvel guests use. So if you're heading for rope drop, it means you'll get there quicker. So that was our overview of Newport Bay Hotel. We hope that this has been helpful on deciding which hotel is best for you at Disneyland Paris. Please check out our other reviews we've done in the past. If you like this, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, thank you for being our guest, and just keep swimming.